Welcome back. I'm here with my little brother Ryan and Mike. I don't have any questions prepared for today, so we're just going to wing it and see what kind of weird, dark place we end up in.
How far down the rabbit hole are we going today, Alice?
All the way.
Okay.
So, click that subscribe button and let's begin. Oh yeah, I really enjoy going into deep philosophical quandaries because it's almost maniacal thought process you have to go through to get to certain answers.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
I just like debating with people.
Oh, I do too. I think, debating with somebody is a fantastic way to sharpen your own skills.
The only skill that sharpens is devil's advocate because I always play it. Oh, so many people get mad at me.
Well, yeah, but still, that's a skill.
Yes, it is.
So what happens when you end up in a room full of fools? Like, do you actually, do you defend the indefensible? Like,
Yes.
It's one thing if it's...
Oh, yeah, yes. I do. I try my hardest. And there have been times that I have taken the side that I just could not defend and tried to defend it. And in the end, I'm left.
Oh, I'm so gonna throw you in the deep end. I'm gonna... my mind is gonna circle on that one and make you take an impossible point.
You try, and we'll see where we go. We'll see where we go. But I will definitely attempt to defend the other side. Just to see. Because I think that in the debate, you understand more and more about it. Especially if you not only look from the side that you're debating, but also their side. Because I think, personally, when I debate something like that, I have to look at their side and then twist it to my way.
Well, that's the best way to win a debate is to start leading them down your path, and you can't do that unless you know where they're coming from.
Yeah.
So I get to see both sides when I do it that way, and I like it. Now, granted, at the end of the conversation, even if I'm debating the side that I don't believe in, I go, oh, okay, well, at least I learned some stuff here.
Do you eventually come around, and let people know that you...
Yes, usually, yeah, especially if I'm definitely on their side from the beginning and just playing the devil's advocate. I think there's one or two times I haven't, because people have probably been mad at me for a day or two.
So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you got a few laughs out of us three idiots here. And if you like the little artwork I did prior to starting, hit that thumbs up button. Otherwise, click subscribe to follow me with the content I release every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below.
Have a
Thanks
good
for
one,
helping.
guys.
Have a good one.
Stay thoughtful.